Explain them.
Okay, so these are the FBK market principles. As you can see, they explain in detail what FBK market is all about. And when we scroll to the bottom here, we've got 5 more other things that we want to add. So please tell me what you think.
And what am I paying you for? Continue. Ish, and like I'm bored, ne? Hi, I'm bored. Bianca, come. Come, I'm bored. The CEO is bored.
Yes,
Please,
how can I help?
please push me around. I'm bored.
Okay.
I'm just bored so all on. Yeah, push me. The truth is, sex comes with spiritual ties and demons. So you just gotta choose whether you want rich demons or poor demons. That's up to you. Tato, kupon latela G63 go kawash, ne? Thank you.
DJ Coach your iPhone that you didn't sleep with Nigerians to get his charging. Thank you, Doug.